Yes, I'm having ice cream. Ah. You know, I was out yesterday. It was so warm. And after I had gone to a place, I'll tell you about it in another video. I said, you know what? I am having the ice cream. You know, after the earthquake, and I think we're all having a moment of reckoning that it could happen here. That tomorrow is not promised. I mean, I know that. But it's like whenever something like that happens, you really get into yourself and you're like, I need to live my life as if today was the last day. So I went into, which place was that? It's a very popular place here. In every mall, you're gonna find them. And oh, I wish I had a picture of a sign, but I kind of trust them in terms of taste. So this is a cherry fusion type of flavor, which I only had one scoop. Thank God. I can imagine 2 scoops would be way too much. Last time I had ice cream, I can't even remember. I think I've had a couple of those little cheap McDonald's cones that you find at Albrook in the last few months, but I don't generally eat ice cream. But ice cream is very popular in Latin America. You should have seen people in Peru. Kids, grown up, everybody loves ice cream. And I was sitting there was a lady sitting with her elderly mom. It's a way for people to relax, to just enjoy each other and life. So yes, I had the ice cream. And I loved every bite, every lick. Lesson sis, whatever you want to do, do it. You know, I don't have any bucket list anymore because I am living my life doing the things that I can afford to do. Of course, I am someone who enjoys very simple things. So I don't need to spend a lot of money to have fun. I really don't. And I enjoy myself by myself, getting on a bus, doing a sightseeing tour on my own. I do those things all the time. I love going to Albrook, to my nice little spot, and people watch. I love that. Go to the museum and just wander around aimlessly. That brings me joy. Can you do a tally of the things that you enjoy, that give you joy, and then resolve to do more of that? Yeah, there was a lady next to me singing happy birthday to her granddaughter. Now this is connecting, isn't it? She is talking to her kid, to her grandkid. Yes, do more of that. Have more, video calls. Yes, go and hang out with your girlfriends. There's a sister who just posted, she's like, I'm alone and I feel lonely, and I reached out. I'm like, sis, reach out. There's a community here for you. But some people are not as comfortable reaching out. I don't have a problem with it. So if I can have coffee with a sister, exchange contact information, and then tell her, sis, you are not alone. If you are ever in need, just call me. Reach out. Yep. We have to be intentional about just living life and not putting things off or being, within yourself. Oh my God, she was loud. Listen to her. I really enjoyed that ice cream. It was so warm yesterday. My goodness, it was hot. So I have more walk videos and I want you to go again. You need to appreciate the effort because let me tell you, I went to a place yesterday and the lady's like, people have passed out here because the heat. She said, I've been here 65 years. The heat is different. I'm like, yeah, the whole world is going combust. Whew. So this short video is to encourage you to live in the moment. Don't put off anything. You see, as much as I enjoy all of that ice cream, including the cones, yes, do it. Now, I won't have one for another 3 months, yes, but that was yummy. Good ice cream is really a treat. It really is. Not that cheap $1 cone from McDonald's, but just nice ice cream. This was good. Yes. Is it fruit? What do they call that place? I still can't remember it. But you'll see it. We have a smoothie place at the mall and we have ice cream. So, ooh, there we go. We're almost done. Yum, yum. Now I'm kind of tasting it right now. Again. I forgot to get a napkin. Oh, yep, there we go. We're done. Oh, au revoir, c'est fini. That was delish. Enjoy yourself, sis. Live in the moment. Have the ice cream. Go on that trip. Take the cruise. Call your grandkids. Do it. Don't put anything off, sis. Do not put it off. Yes, yes, yes. This is your sis Maggie encouraging you to live in the moment. I know I am. I am. Au revoir. Bye.